Hello, ate. We will be going where? We'll be going Jollibee? No, we're going to McDonald's.
To buy? What are we going to buy?
It's the opening of McDonald's.
We're going to buy chicken. Chicken and fries.
Okay, we are now at the McDonald's Calumpang. So this is the first McDonald's in Calumpang. Yay! Ate, are you excited?
Oh, daghan pa, oh.
Wow! We'll just take the drive-thru because okay. Dalawa ka drive-thru. Wow. Ate, are you excited?
Wow! We're going to buy chicken.
Are you excited for the chicken? You want to try the McDo chicken? Is it a yummy chicken? Can you give McDo thumbs up? Wow, very good. So, ayan. So, there are 2 drive-thru lanes, which is good. Really good. So, we'll just take the drive-thru because
It's so full.
There's a big crowd inside the fast food or the place. And there are lots of people. Sige pa. Okay, so we are done ordering our one-piece chicken and we are now here. Oh, Ate is here in front na. Ate, are you excited? Huh? You will have your Happy Meal. There are toys inside the Happy Meal. You like that? Yes! Wow! Ate is very excited na.
Thank you po.
Ayan, there's a program in front. And if you go to look, the inside is full house. And it's down there. Ate, are you excited? Okay, and we also have free. Okay, we are now at home and we have here a kiddie meal. We have 2 kiddie meals.
Happy Meal.
Happy Meal, sorry, Macda. It's Happy Meal. Okay, so we also have here some chicken meal, a 1-piece chicken, and they give us freebie. So this is cheeseburger, and it says congratulations. You are one of the first 100 customers. You may claim your cheeseburger starting December 31 at any McDonald's store. Also, we can claim it by tomorrow. Okay. So, congratulations for the cheeseburger.
Thank you, Macdo.
Thank you, Macdo, for the freebies. And surprisingly, we are one of the first 100 customers. It's already night and still we are one of the first few customers. Okay, ate, do you want to open your Happy Meal box? Happy Meal, tama? Huh? Siguro. Bea, let's open your Happy Meal box. There's a toy inside. Dali. What do you want to open? Open. It's like a gift. You go here. No, you just stay right here. Ayan, open. Look. Oh no, what's that? What's inside? Oh, there's another toy.
Wow, let's give the one to Bea. The one is...
Oh, let's open that one. Dali, let's open. You want this because this is color pink.
Mario.
Ang isa princess.
And Luigi.
Can you open, mommy?
We thought it's Mr. Potato, but I think
May Mr. Potato ba?
the Happy Meal This time is Mario, Super Mario. So this is
The
a
princess.
princess.
Let's look at princess. Oh no, is it beautiful?
It's spinning, ate. It's spinning. You can do this one, oh.
Let's try the toy.
The princess is spinning.
Oh, may kon ba siguro? Wala.
Wala, no. But it says it's spinning.
Okay.
Sige na, you can spin it there. Let's see. May ano siya, ano? The princess is spinning.
Oh, can you spin it around, ate? Like that. Oh, wow! It's turning.
And this is
Turn
for
around.
Bea.
For Bea. Oh, it's like a boy's toy.
Oh,
That's
Luigi. You show it. Show your toy, Bea.
Oh no, Luigi does not spin. So what
Luigi
does
is-
Luigi do?
Flashlight Luigi.
Oh, ate! It's a flashlight.
Oh, wala man.
Ha?
Flashlight daw siya, pero...
Bakit open?
It's not, ano... It says flashlight Luigi.
Oh, ate likes princess. Can we show? Oops. Okay, so that's our Happy Meal or McDonald's drive-thru for today. Okay, so yeah, we have here our food, and it's really messy. Okay, so we have here our chicken, and another chicken over here.
Sunod-sunod si Bea, no? Ayaw siya niya kaya yan. Okay.
Oh, yeah, Mary is enjoying her toys. Do you like it, ate? Princess and Luigi? Huh? Do you like it? You want princess? Oh, hi, princess. Oh, wow, hi, princess. You like the princess toy? Then, Bea.
Give the one to
Took
Bea,
the first
ate.
bite. Oh, give Luigi to Bea.
Give the other one to Bea.
No, you don't. Now share that with your sister.
But ate, you eat your chicken na.
Ate is enjoying her
Taste the
toys.
chicken.
Ah,
Taste the chicken,
chicken from McDonald's. Is it good? Is it yummy? Can you give a thumbs up for the yummy chicken? Wow, very good.
Baka naman, McDo.
Bea's turn. Bea's turn.
Open mouth. Okay.
Oops. Is it yummy? Huh? Okay, Bea is now busy with her drawing book. While Ate is still playing with Princess and Luigi. Oops. Oh. Ate loves the chicken. Is it right, Ate? You like the chicken, right? It's yummy chicken. What's that?
Open, Bea. Open mouth, Bea.